xoolal li moo def ci tali bi su ñëwee dem naan seen tablette yi xoolal kii look at this ah c'est la téléphone am baa ngi nii
Kush bi ku nga xam ne da nga dee faje nga bàyyi di ko faje moo gën Kush bi dafa yaaxu baaxul waaw am na ñoo xam ne daf leen ree ñaari pof rek nga dee even tuxkat bu nekk mun na laa ko jox nga tux ko nga am problème so man li ma mën a wax yu si kay dañ nekk benn rek koo gis mu ngay jaay Kush ñu advice ko mu bàyyi su ko bàyyit ñun yu si sax ñoo war a def dara sax lii mu stop si dëkk bi because bii baaxul si dëkk bi.
Kush has been prevalent in West Africa for years. It is reported to be a psychoactive blend of addictive substances such as cannabis, tramadol and fentanyl, with human bones reportedly among the ingredients. The first reported case of the drug in Sierra Leone was in 2021. Since then, it has spiraled out of control, forcing the country's government to declare it a national emergency in April 2024. Tyson Conte, a Sierra Leonean freelance journalist and filmmaker, published an investigative documentary on Kush in Sierra Leone in 2022 for the BBC's Africa Eye program. The documentary asks whether the country can stop the march of this dangerously addictive drug.
Kush has a state it takes you, and in Sierra Leone this state is classified, or they call it as a mad world. You meditate and you feel so big of yourself, you feel everything is solved. And so we have this youth frustrated, they can't get jobs, they can't make money. The economy is very bad for us in Sierra Leone and for everybody around the world, so they found this Kush as a remedy to take them away from the stress of life.
It has become apparent that consumption of this drug has become widely spread among youth in the Gambia, with serious health implications and societal consequences. I spoke to a source who used to smoke Kush and who requested anonymity. He shared his troubling experience of taking the drug.
I want to know what it was like to smoke Kush. But when I smoke it, I felt like someone who's been electrified, and everything about me changed constantly.
What it does, it suppresses the neurotransmitters now we are talking about in the brain. So when those things are being altered now, problem will come in. Then deficiencies will come in. When it happens, you break down, to psychologically break down. Then this is where some of them, when they start taking these medications, you still see them, if you ask them questions, they become sluggish in speaking. You see them, some of them will start drooling. When they take, they feel like they are powerful enough. So you will just come and hold a pipe or a pole, trying to uproot the pole. So sometimes it's just, you cannot just understand. And then they will see a wall, and they will use their head and then bang it on the head. So bang it on the wall, that yes, they can break the wall by their heads.
One of those sifting through sewage is Tinder.
What did they pull out? So what did they do to them?
At least now iron there. Iron there now they pull out the first silver, the gold, anyone mix up no man. Now they pull through. Only my friend is survivor. All of them want to go back push only man is distress.
There can be more to push than easy stress, says Tinder, who admits sometimes the unpredictable effects of the drug have led him to commit crimes. Kush, says Rambo, first arrived in Sierra Leone from abroad and was known as K2, a mixture of plant material sprayed with synthetic psychoactive chemicals. Many around the world know it as spice. But now, Rambo claims Sierra Leone is creating its own Kush industry.
You know what? Here's what I think. Boy, kuchibuga karuri tux Kush, tuxal basa gatang. Bo dee sa bop nga ray. Man manuma fe tok di la beg pour nga value sa life. Bo fulalu sa dundu continuer di tux. Amna yete yo xamne advertisement la mo nuru. Yow gis nga nit ñi di ci dee. wala ñam nga ko ba xam ne lii mën na laa rey léegi nga bëgg ñu neexal la for you to stay alive déedéet duma ko def tuxal ba toskare. What do you want me to say? Bàyyi leen Kush dafa dangerous mun na laa rey. These people already know that. Man waruma laa gën a fonk sa bakkan. So if you wanna get stoned and possibly die, knock yourself out. xam naa ne àdduna bi indiwuñ fi kenn to be such a waste. So fekkee you wanna die like a bitch, go ahead. You think you're tough in the head because you can take drugs? No. The difference between ñun ak yow is that you're afraid of your mind and we are not. jafe-jafe àdduna ngay try pour dodge parce que da nga wékk doo tus drugs yi nii yëpp escape la rek. amul kenn kuy come up with a good enough reason to justify it. ñun jàmbaar yi we stay sane and battle with our minds every day. suñu life hitee we suck it up and deal with it. but yéen ay paccax yu feeble ngeen mel ni mbóot. bilaay boy stress bi doo dee xam bro. tuxal jëndal Kush mu xibam saf dee ci ba xam ku koy yëg. man danaa fi toog di pampa ay mbaam. nit ñi wax nañ ba sonn and it's starting to look like we're making these drugs more popular. ku bëgg a rey boppam na tux. yéen li ngeen war a waxtaanee waxu leen ko. naka la ndeyi drugs yu bëri yi duggee ci réew mi. the authorities in charge ñoo jubut. I am almost certain somebody is getting paid and allowing it. réew mi léegi am na koñ yooyu dugg benn Gambian doo ko fa fekk. ñag yi kese nga fay gis. and I'm not saying foreigners yi waruñ fee bëri. ñun bañuñ kenn we're very welcoming. bon ndax ñooñu tànki jàmm lañ fi dox si. authorities yi responsible for our safety. seen duty la pour ñu filter everything lu fiy dugg including people. waaye du ngeen ko def parce que da ngeen corrupt. and of course justification is usually like yeah you know drugs yi moom réew moo dem fekk ko fa. it's inevitable. come on bro. really? You don't want to do your job properly because it's everywhere. Drug squad xam nañ most of these drug lords fuñ féetoo. but hardly nga dégg a successful raid buñ def. corner boys yu ndaw yi di jaay taay si koñ yi la ñuy téye. man xaw ma naka ngeen di tëddee guddi mën a nelaw. bro this country luñ fi war a fix dafa bari. I just hope yàlla continuer di ñu musal ñu fekkee fuñ ko fixé. Balanga them, don't forget to like so more people could watch this. Thank you.